Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the world's best cables 25-foot ultimate speaker cable pair. This product is presented as part of their ultimate assembly range, which the company states was created in response to popular demand from their customers, aiming to elevate their existing cable offerings. At the heart of these cables is a substantial 12 AWG gauge construction. The manufacturer details that this is achieved using an impressive total of 1,344 ultra-fine strands of 99.99% ultra-pure oxygen-free copper, with each individual strand measuring just 0.08 millimeters. The claim is that this heavy gauge and fine stranding allows the cable to effortlessly deliver deeper lows, sweet mids, and higher highs without any fear of signal loss, designed to satisfy the most stringent requirements of demanding audiophiles. Moving beyond the technical core, the WBC Ultimate Assembly Range also places a strong emphasis on aesthetics and presentation. These cables feature a hand-applied, braided silver tweed cloth jacket, complemented by hand-stitched embroidered labeling. The company suggests that this provides an aesthetically pleasing, luxury look that will tastefully complement high-end audio gear, positioning it as truly the ultimate speaker cable in both performance and appearance. For connectivity, world's best cables utilizes high-grade eminence connectors. This particular pair comes equipped with both 3-micron, 24K gold-plated audiophile-grade banana plugs and multi-spade connectors. The banana plugs are the standard 4 mm diameter and feature a fully insulated body designed to prevent accidental shorting. The multi-spade connectors are compatible with both 8 mm and 6 mm binding posts. Both connector types are described as specially reinforced to adequately support the heavy gauge cable and are said to provide superior abrasion and corrosion resistance for unrivaled performance. The assembly process is highlighted as a key aspect of the product's quality. The cables are professionally soldered using world's best cables' proprietary 4% silver solder blend and a unique nitrogen-assisted soldering process. The company states this method exceeds industry standards and improves the integrity of the solder joints compared to traditional techniques. The handcrafted nature is further emphasized by the hand application of the tweed jacket and the hand stitching of the embroidered labeling. The product arrives in high-end packaging, including a gift box and reusable fabric connector cover pouches, making it suitable for gifting. This offering is specifically for a pair of 25-foot cables, intended for the left and right channels of a stereo system. World's Best Cables positions these as custom-made cables, lovingly assembled, drawing upon their extensive experience serving millions of customers over many years. They present these cables as representing the best the company has to offer, combining top-tier performance with luxury aesthetics and meticulous craftsmanship.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.